Very patient opening opening packs, to be honest. Not very patient. We have just torn that bag open there. Hello and welcome back to Everyday Matters with Terry. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing of a weave-on. So I got contact from a seller on Amazon asking me to try on and review one of their products, and it's a wig. So it came in a box. Okay, so I'm just gonna unbox it today and then I'll try it on. Okay, so I've packed my hair all back. I hope that's okay for me to put the wig on. Okay, but we'll have a look, see if it fits. Okay, so I'll open that up. Okay. So I'll unbox it. Okay, and see what's in the box. Okay, so this is what's in the box. So it came like this. Okay, I've got the box like that. So I've got this. I think this is just to protect the product. Okay, and there. So I've got two packs there. I like the way it came in an orange bag. Okay, so two products. So that, I guess, is, let's open it up. Okay, so this is the wig. Okay, it came in another bag. Sorry about this. Right, okay, let's open that up. And there's another bag there. Okay, so it's umber and blonde colors. Okay, so normally I'll go for a black colored wig or a purple or wine color, but this is like, it's black mixed with blonde. Okay, it's umber and black. Okay, so this is the wig here. Okay, it also came with that like wig cap. Okay, and also came with, let's see what that is. I'm just opening that as well. I'm not very patient opening opening packs, to be honest. Not very patient. We have just torn that bag open there. Okay, so that is, let's have a look. I think it's a mannequin. Okay, just for me to put the, yes it is. So it came with a mannequin for me to put the wig on once I'm done with it. Okay, so I'm gonna try it on. Even though I've got my hair on, I'm gonna try and see if it fits. Okay, let's have a look. Not very patient. I don't really know. I'll tear that open. Okay, so that's the wig cap. Oh, actually two wig caps, so that's really good. I'm happy. I get to have two wig caps. So I'll put it on my head. Let's see if this works. See if it works. I hope it works. Okay, and I'm gonna put the wig on. I'm so excited trying to see what it will look like with my hair. Let's have a look. Okay. Let's put it on and see. It looks so different. I don't think I've ever had a blonde hair on before, so it looks and feels so different in my eyes there. Okay, so it looks and feels really different. Ta-da! So yes, it looks and feels different, obviously, because I've never had a blonde hair on before in my life, so this is the first time. But I really like it. The length is 24 inches. Okay, I love the length. I love the way it curls. So it's natural curls. I really love it, and it's really good. I love the curls. I love the length. I love the wig as well. It's not real. It's synthetic, but it looks almost real. Okay, but it's really beautiful. It's not very expensive either, but I really like it. I'll put the link to the product in the description box, so if you're interested, the link will be there for you if you want to purchase this product. So the name of the company is XTREND brands. Let me not lie, they're called, yeah, XTREND hair. Okay, that's the name of the brand, and they've got loads of different wigs that you might be interested in, but I really like this one. I think I'm gonna take my hair down so I can have this one for a while, but it's really beautiful. But I'd also like to know what you think. So do you think this is a good fit for me? Do you think the shade is good for me, for my skin color and all that? I would really like to know what you think of this hair. I like it, but I want to know your opinion as well. But guys, thank you all so much for watching this video. I really appreciate you. If you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please do like and share this video with your friends and family. And again, if you would like to support my channel, my membership is on, so please join my membership, and I would really appreciate that. But thank you so much for watching this video, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.